What is up, everyone? This is MoTutorials here, and today I am going to show you how to increase your download speeds in Google Chrome in 2024. So let's get right into this. This is going to be a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you two quick things that you can do to basically enhance your speed. So if you go to Chrome, not on incognito on your regular browser, and you type in Chrome : //flags, you're going to pop up at this experimental feature, right? The point is you're not supposed to know where this is because of the experimental feature stuff because it can mess with your computer. So we're going to write parallel, if I could spell it right, parallel on the search bar, or you could just find it, and it's called parallel downloading. So it says enable parallel downloading to accelerate download speeds, Mac, Windows, Linux, Chrome, OS, etc., etc. So you're going to change it from default to enabled. Once you do this, pretty much close out Chrome, exit if you can, restart your computer, and this should pretty much fix your issue and increase your download speed immensely. Once you've done that, the next thing you can do is you want to go to your search bar and you want to write network connections, and you're going to see this pop up. We're going to change our DNS basically from automatic to manual. It doesn't matter which one you're connected to, whether wireless or Wi-Fi. So I'm connected via Ethernet, so I'm going to right click into this, go to properties, and click into where it says Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4, and click into properties. We're going to change where it says obtain DNS server address automatically to this. You're going to be most likely on the automatic. IP address is fine, and we're going to change it to 8.8.8.8 and alternate to 8.8.4.4. We're going to do this, and you're going to basically restart your computer. You can flush your DNS as well from the from command prompt if you want to. That could or could not help. That's up to you if you want to do that. But maybe I can make another video if you like going to do that. But pretty much this is the two steps you can do. Restart your computer. You should be good to go, and you'd be surprised your download speeds are going to be enhanced significantly. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys overall like the video, please smash that like button. Guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell. Other than that, more tutorials out. Peace.